So in this question, we've got -9 plus +9. Because we're adding using 0 pairs, the first thing we need to do is to represent each of these integers using counters. Since our first integer is -9, we're going to show it using 9 red counters because it's negative. The next thing we need to do is to show +9 using counters. Because it's +9, we're going to use 9 green counters. Finally, we have to make our 0 pairs. And again, a 0 pair is just a pair of counters where one is red and one is green, that when you add them, it makes 0. That's like saying -1 plus +1, which gives you 0. That means this here is a 0 pair. So that cancels. A 0 pair here. 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 So that cancels out to make 0. A 0 pair here. So that cancels out to make 0. A 0 pair here. Because when we add that, we get 0. A 0 pair here. Because when we add this, we get 0. And a 0 pair here. Because when we add this, we also get 0. And what we're left with is nothing. There are no green counters or red counters remaining. And that means our final answer to -9 plus 9 is 0. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Math Review.